We're going to be looking at diabetes, its causes, its history, and different ways of treating it, some of which you'll know about, others of which you won't.
Diabetes is defined as when the cells in your body which need sugar can't take it inside the cells to feed the cells. So the sugar in the blood builds up and it doesn't get to where it's needed, which is inside the cells. So you get high sugar levels in the blood which disturb all the body chemistry, and you feel awful because your cells don't get the sugar and they can't live, they can't metabolize. Now sometimes with diabetes you get the opposite effect. You get very low blood sugar levels, and that's when you faint. That's called hypo, too low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. Sometimes you get very high sugar levels, hyper, over-sugared blood, hyperglycemia.
Well, I tried conventional treatment through my GP, who told me I had diabetes, and conventional methods, which didn't appear to work. I then met Dr. Jean Monroe, who was treating a friend of mine for a totally separate illness. I was quite astounded because I met her in a social setting. I was exceedingly overweight. I was drinking a lot at the time due to stress-related problems I had. And she said to me, "I'd like to see you tomorrow." And I said, "I'm too busy. I run my own business, I travel a lot." And she said, No, you need to see me tomorrow." She said, "I think you're very ill." So I went along next morning, 9 o'clock, had a blood test, and within a week she told me that I was suffering a combination of illness under the Syndrome X identification, and it was predominant I was diabetic. So basically she treated me for 3 months with a combination of infusion, diet, and homeopathic vitamin medicine. And after 3 months I had lost a considerable amount of weight. Since I met her 2 years ago, I've actually lost 4 stone. My diabetes is completely clear, and my stress levels have gone, my high blood pressure's gone, and to say that she changed my life is probably an understatement.